Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another haul video for you all, and in this video you will not be seeing anything related to makeup, beauty, clothing, etc. Rather, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all the products that I got from D-Mart for organizing my clothes and makeup. People who are not aware what D-Mart is, so D-Mart is basically a chain of supermarket which offers a wide range of home and personal goods under one roof. Their prices are really affordable as compared to other big brands of hypermarkets and supermarkets. If you are someone who likes to keep everything very organized, or if you're finding difficult to keep their things organized and is interested to know what all I have bought and how I'm going to use it, keep on watching. I have picked 7 products in total. All the products are made up of plastic and the quality of each product is very nice. The first product that I'm going to show you all is a mini holder. Now this is a off-white color holder and I really like the size of it. The price of this holder is just 25 rupees and that's the reason I picked 2 of these. Now I have bought this to keep my makeup brushes. Since I have so many makeup brushes, I was looking for a holder like this to store all the brushes so that it comes really handy whenever I want them. So in one of the holders I've kept all my used makeup brushes and in the other one I've kept all my clean makeup brushes. The next product is this pink plastic holder. Now this is bigger in size as compared to the previous one that I've shown you, and it has a flower detailing all over it. This retails for just 39 rupees, and since it's a multifunctional holder you can use it to store anything that you want, but for now I have used it to keep all my clean beauty blenders, but I'm thinking of using it in some different ways for storage. Up next I bought 2 plastic baskets. Now this one is a small size and this retails for 79 rupees, and the other one is a medium size and this retails for 119 rupees only. Now I really like the color and also the handles that it has, so it's really easy for me to store it in my cupboard shelf and I can pull it out easily, or I can hold it nicely. I also like the depth of both the baskets. I can keep a lot of stuff in it. Now I'll be showing you all how I have utilized both the baskets, and it will also give you an idea as to how you can use it. So in the small basket I have rolled up all my hand and face towels, and these are 7 in number, and I can also fit in one more because the storage space is really nice, and rolling helps you to save a lot of space, and you can easily see the towel and you can pull it up whenever you want and whichever towel you want. And also, since the size is very compact, you can easily keep it in your bathroom if you have that much space in your bathroom, or you can keep it in your cupboard. In the medium basket I have rolled up and kept all my gym t-shirts and the t-shirts that I like to wear at home. As you can see, I have put 14 t-shirts in it, so the basket size is really spacious, and rolling helps you to save a lot of space in the cupboard. But if you are someone who like to keep their clothes ironed, this rolling method is not for you. The next product that I got is a large size brown color basket. Now I really like the quality of this, and it is very spacious, and it also comes with a lid. As you can see, in case you don't want to use the lid, you can always keep it at the bottom like this and use it. Now this retails for around 299 rupees, which is fair enough because the quality is really nice, and it also has a good space. Now I have picked 2 of these. I'll show you what I've kept in the other one. So I have rolled up the denims and kept in here. So in this way I can easily see which denim is where and I can pick it up easily. Now you can keep your dresses, jeggings, whatever clothes you want, and since it's a multifunctional basket you can use it in whichever way you want, but I have purposely bought it to keep my clothes. Now I was very inclined to buy more organizing stuff for my clothes since my cupboard is always in a mess. So recently I came across this method of organizing the clothes. I will be labeling these baskets and will keep it in my cupboard. Now this basket I got it too because I wanted to see whether it fits in my cupboard well or not, but this perfectly fits into my cupboard, and I can keep 3 baskets next to each other in one shelf, and I can put one above the other, so maybe 6 baskets in one shelf. So I'll be picking more of these when I visit D-Mart next. The next product that I got are these egg trays. So now I got 2 of these, and this retail for 89 rupees each. There were 2 more color options available in this, a mint color and also blue color, but I picked up this because pink is my favorite color. Also, we eat eggs on daily basis, so we normally get that huge tray which has 30 eggs, so it's very difficult for me to keep it in my kitchen because it takes a lot of space in the shelf, and also in the fridge you can only keep 12 eggs. So I think this is the best thing to store. Now it can hold 10 eggs in one tray, so I have bought 2 so that I can stack up like this, and then I can keep rest of the eggs in the fridge. So I think this is a very useful purchase. Moving on to the last product of this haul. This is my favorite purchase of the entire shopping, so that's why I've kept it for the last. And I've been inclined towards buying more organizers for my clothes and makeup of lately, so when I saw this product I immediately bought it. Now I'm talking about this makeup organizer which retails for 249. The actual price was 277, but I got it for 249 rupees only. Now this is an amazing product, and I'll tell you why. Because I've seen such similar products in Forever 21 which retails for 800 to 900 rupees, and also I bought something similar to keep my lipsticks, like a 24 lipstick holder from Club Factory, and it was for 270 rupees, almost the same price, but the quality of that was really cheap. So I'll tell you why this product is really amazing. This is how the makeup organizer looks like, and this is worth each penny because the quality is really nice and you can store a lot of makeup in here. As you can see, you can keep your 12 lipsticks, and also it has 3 sections behind, so you can keep your different things. I'll show you how I'll be using it in next. And also you get one more section here, so you can store a lot of makeup. This is a self-sufficient makeup organizer, and I'll show you how I have organized it. So I've kept all my 12 lipsticks here, and at the back, as you can see, they have 3 sections. So I've kept my 3 foundations, and then I've kept my mascaras, and in the last section I've kept all my eyebrow products, my liners and my kajals. And here in the front section I've kept my concealer, the highlighting concealer and the color correcting one, and also my compact, one eyeshadow palette, a highlighter, and also a blush and a bronzer. So you can keep everything in this one and you are sorted. Since I have a lot of makeup, so I will be putting my frequently used and the products that I reach out the most in this. And yeah, I really like this product. I would highly recommend this makeup organizer to a beginner because you are sorted, you have all your makeup in one place, and also I would recommend this small brush holder, so you have your brushes sorted as well. Now this is a compact size, both of the products, so you can either keep it in your vanity if you have a dressing area, or if you don't have any of these, you can easily keep both the products into your cupboard and you are sorted. I hope my small organizing video was helpful, and you must have taken some tips on saving some space in your cupboard. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also click on the bell icon for my future updates. Until next time, take care, thanks for watching. Mwah.